Hi, I'm going to walk you through a carburetor replacement on a Craftsman 5600 watt unit. This is an older unit, but it has a 10 horsepower Briggs and Stratton motor that a lot of these generators have in common, so this carburetor will be in common with those as well. So first, you got to identify the location of the air breather, which is on the left hand side there. You can see the breather, and then the filter is just below that. You remove this with two screws that are on each side with a screwdriver, and below there is a breather frame that gets removed as well. So when you get to the carburetor, it has two studs there that can be removed with a 4mm socket. I've just used a 3/8 inch drive adapted down to 1/4 inch and a 4mm to get those off. Those are what hold the carburetor assembly, as well as one of the intake spacer pieces there, and they're pretty easy to get on and off. You can see on the left hand side there's a fuel line that gets removed, and on top of the carburetor are linkages that you can see here that remain. Again, these are pretty easy to get out. It holds everything in. Minimal connections to the carburetor, and pretty easy to swap out with the new. So as far as the new carburetor, it comes off of Amazon. It looks just like the old, except the intake air flapper has to be removed, and you replace the plastic assembly there that you see in black with a shorter assembly that comes with the kit. You also replace this plastic part on back of the carburetor. There's a linkage there that part gets removed from, and your linkages go straight to the metal piece, so that's straightforward as well. Remove that and then connect to the metal piece. Now after you get everything done, this is the run test of the Briggs and Stratton. It started with the first pull. So all the parts you need for this are in a link down below the video. So please be sure to like and subscribe. We make these short videos that cover the essential parts of a job and not explain it to you in great detail, so that you don't have to worry about spending your time listening to people talk. So have a look. Please like and subscribe if you like these short videos. They get the job done for you, and we'll see you next time.